Good day, Sir Madam. My name is Rovelyn Apiag. I am 46 years old. I am single mother. I live in Masabay Bajo, Lupisayna, Misamis Occidental. I have three children. My first daughter is 21 years old. My second daughter is 17 years old. And my third is son, 14 years old. My work experience is in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia for 4 years and 8 months. I clean the house, wash and iron clothes, and assist my madam in cooking. In Kuwait, I work as a nanny or take care of the newborn child. I work also in Hong Kong for 10 months only, year 2020. Because of the pandemic, my employer lost her job and go home in China and bring her family. Madam and sir, if you allow me to be part of your family, I will do my best to serve your family and take care of your children as if my own. That's all. Thank you and get blessed.